Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today because I'm sharing something very close to my heart, that the beautiful and divine Vilakku Puja. Hi! So they were here to welcome all the beautiful ladies who are coming to perform the Vilakku Puja on one auspicious Friday. You can see the Arshana Kumkum and they have all welcoming like Rangoli. Beautiful one. Yes, this is the entrance. Okay, as you see, the ladies have been seated, beautifully arranged. Everybody had got their numbers, and this is what I had gotten. My number was 68, and this is my place where I'm going to perform the Vilakku Puja. Basically, Vilakku is a lamp, and we are praying for the lamp. Like we are offering the prayers for the lamp. It has to be filled with the ghee and anything else that you would like to do from your heart. So this is how I arranged my Vilakku, the prayer lamp, with a kajal, earring, bindi, bangles and prasadam. So this was the actual lamp that they made. How beautifully they are dressed. See the sari they had draped and the jewelries, the flowers. I mean, it's so beautiful to see. And then with the rangoli and prasadam. And I also got a flower here and I'm coming to light the diya. That was so auspicious moment for us. I mean, they call out as in when they are supposed to start, so that is when we are starting. Once the lamp was on, then they start chanting the mantras, like it goes around like 1,000 plus mantras, and you will have to be seated and offering the kumkum.
Please confirm everyone has lit the lamp. One towards you, one towards God. Front and back. Only two.
Om Vandhyaye Namaha. Om Vandharjana Vatsalaye Namaha.
So this is where the Archana had started. It was 1008, if I'm not wrong. So as in when they are also performing, we will also perform our end. Like you need to offer the kumkum to the either to the betel leaf or to the lamp or to the photo of the Lord that they have given. How nicely people have sat here with the same color of dress. I mean, it was a uniform kind of a saree, but I missed to purchase one. But the color combination is very beautiful. The yellow and somewhat like a dark green or something like that. And there were volunteers also over there to help us to fill the ghee or if we need anything else. Like you can see, everybody is trying to offer as per the slokas has been called.
Om Kameshwara Prananatye Namaha. Om Udagyaye Namaha. Om Kamabhujidaye Namaha. Om Sundara Sampurnaye Namaha. Om Jayaye Namaha. Om Janamnasidaye Namaha. Om Vatyana Vinnayaye Namaha. Om Hindu Mandalavasine Namaha. Om Yasarpanavidaye Namaha. Om Satyaprathaye Namaha. Om Istasakshine Namaha. Om Sakshivandidaye Namaha. Om Sharanga Devadayudaye Namaha. Om Shat Punya Paribhuridaye Namaha. Om Nityakrinnaye Namaha. Om Nirmamaye Namaha. Om Nirvana Sukadayine Namaha. Om Nitya Shodadika Rupaye Namaha. Om Sri Gandhata Samirine Om Pravati. Om Prabharupaye Namaha. Om Prasiddhaye Namaha. Om Parameshwaraye Namaha. Om Mula Prakriti Namaha. Om Avyaktaye Namaha. Om Yatyayanta Swarupine Namaha. Om Vyavine Namaha. Om Vividadharaye Namaha. Om Vidya Vidya Swarupine Namaha. Om Mahakamesha Nayana Dudaklada Gaurukte Namaha. Om Bhaktahata Tamobeda Bhanu Gattanu Satye Namaha. Om Sivadutye Namaha. Om Sivaradhyaye Namaha. Om Sivamurte Namaha. Om Sivagangare Namaha. Om Sivapriyaye Namaha. Om Sivabaraye Namaha.
There I am, trying to perform my own. Yeah.
Om Manavasa Navotaraye Namaha. Om Shiksakte Namaha. Om Chetana Rupaye Namaha. Om Janashakti
So a little bit about this puja. So Vilakku means lamp and puja means worship. So Vilakku puja is the worship of the sacred lamp, symbolizing the divine presence of the goddess, often goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and the prosperity, or Durga or Amman. So it is actually performed on one Friday, considered as auspicious for the goddess. It could be on the Navratri time or Kartika Deepa time. And women gather each bringing Vilakku lamp. It's a bronze or silver. In this case, we were given from the Lalita group. So it will be decorated with whatever you like to do for the god, and it will be filled with ghee. And we go on with the bhajans and the chanting and prayers. It goes about like 3 to 4 hours, and then it will be once it is done, they'll do a Mangalarti. Then the prasadam will be offered. It is very mesmerizing moment that you get involved in so much of spiritual aspect of Lord, and it is absolutely beautiful. This is my 3rd time that I'm attending, and this was their 9th time that they were performing on here. It has also been a tradition that they tie this Mangal Sutra to the Lotus. So everybody needs to touch and take a presence. You can see Mangalyam Tantanala, and they are tying it for the Lotus.
शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये भूर्भुवस्सुरः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् देवस्य सत्यं सत्येन वर्षञ्जयामि अमृतं भवतु ॐ प्राणाय स्वाहा अपानाय स्वाहा ज्ञानाय स्वाहा उदानाय स्वाहा समानाय स्वाहा ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा वेदस्य राज्यभागस्य अग्रस्राज्यभागो मे निगते निर्माण जानि कविकं सुकुन्दे एतावन्तो वै देवानां सलाः देवानां प्रचन्ति तेन गुणसुनन्दे राज्याय देवस्पर्धा भवति प्रजावान् तस्मान् भवति एवं वेद यो वामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति अग्निर्वापामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति अग्निरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो वा अग्निरायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति एवं वेद यो वामायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आयुर्वापामायतनम् आयतनवान् भवति यो आयुरायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति आपो आयतनम् आयतनवान् भवति एवं वेद योपामायतनं वेद
I thoroughly enjoyed the food that was served, prasadam. So tasty and yum. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment on the video for more. Let Lalita Ambe bless all of us. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.